Hey guys, I'm showing you this Crave USA nylon braided iPhone lightning cable to USB. So this is a 4 feet cable and you can see that it comes in a really nice box. There is no issue and looks like a gift box as well. And I'm just taking out this cable and showing you the quality. So this is the nylon braided and you can see is a nice quality of nylon braided because this makes it more durable and easy to use. So I like the packing. Actually this packing of the box is nice, and this, as you can see, is the USB and the lightning cable, and this is the 4 feet nylon braided cable. So this nylon braided is more inflexible and then more durable than the normal cable. um, and you can also see that this is the lightning side of it, and it fits well in the iPhone. There is no issue with that. And then this, the other side, will go in the USB port. So this cable can be used for charging as well as for data. So I just put it in the USB port here, and you can see the charging started instantly. So no issue with the working of this cable anyhow. And so this cable is compatible with any Apple devices where lightning cable can be used.